Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from your videos in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. First, go to Color tab, then click on your window icon and select the Pen tool. On the preview screen, draw an outline around the object you want to remove. Next, click on the Tracker tab and select the Track Forward, and then DaVinci Resolve will track the objects throughout the entire video. Now go to Effects and find the Object Removal and drag it onto your node. Click the Scene Analysis and DaVinci Resolve will automatically remove the object from every frame. However, this feature is only available in the studio version of DaVinci Resolve, so you'll need to upgrade first to see the result of your edit. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can clean your footage like a pro. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more DaVinci tips. Thanks for watching.